Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to turn on Predictive Text on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to easily turn on Predictive Text on your iPhone device. First of all, on your iPhone, open your Settings app. And once you are in your Settings app, here scroll down and just tap on General and tap on Keyboard, and under all keyboard section here you'll find this predictive text. So all you have to need, enable predictive text from here, and with predictive text you can write and complete entire sentences with just a few steps or few taps. And now I'm going to opening my Notes app, and here's I'm typing some random words. And as you can see, here's predictive text is working properly. To add this hello, how are you option, I'm just tapping on this space icon, and then the you will be written automatically, as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.